If you want to move data to the memory card or from the memory card on POCO M8 5G, what you can do is you can go to the file manager, so this app over here. We can use it in order to be able to transfer files. Of course, first we need to grant all the permissions. There we go. Now, if you want to transfer something from the phone to the SD card, then over here we have the internal storage where we have all the folders. So you can try to locate your files in here by using these folders, or you can just use these categories. You can also tap on more in order to reveal more stuff. So let's say I'm gonna go to transfers and downloads, and let's say I want to move this file to my SD card. So I can press and hold my finger in order to select this first file. I can also keep tapping on more files in order to select them, so you can transfer multiple files at once. And then we're gonna go ahead and choose move at the bottom. Now here in this case we are transferring from the internal storage to the SD card. So in here we need to choose the SD card because we moved to the SD card, and then we need to choose where we want it to be saved. So let's say I'm gonna choose this download folder and tap on this check in the upper right corner. And now we just need to wait for all these files to be transferred. Once it is done, you should be able to, of course, check the SD card storage, for example, and as you can see, it is over here. Now, if you want to do this the other way around, then what you need to do is you need to go to the SD card storage in here and then do exactly the same thing. So once again, I'm gonna go ahead and select the same file and choose move. But this time, of course, we want to transfer from SD card to the internal storage. So I want to choose the internal storage in here and then choose where it should be saved. Located. I don't know, whatever. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Now in this case, unfortunately, the file is gone, but if I go to the folder, it is actually in here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.